5 houses on a quiet street. Each one has cash inside. You're a very polite burglar, you want the biggest haul possible, in one night. One catch. Any 2 houses next to each other share an alarm. Hit 2 neighbors, and the whole street wakes up. So, which houses do you pick? Obvious plan, always grab the biggest pile first. Watch it backfire. On this little street, grabbing the 30 locks out both 20s. You walk away with 30, when 40 was sitting right there. Biggest first can trap you. Fine, check every possible combination? 5 houses is only 32 plans. But a street of 30 houses? Over a billion? That plan doesn't fail, it just never finishes. Here's the trick, and it's just one question, asked at every front door. Skip this house and keep the best haul you already had, or take this house, plus the best haul from 2 houses back. Whichever is bigger, wins. That's the whole idea. Let's walk the street. First house, $2. No choices yet, best haul so far, 2. Second house, $7. Take it alone, or stick with the 2? 7 wins. Best so far, 7. Third house, $9. Skip it? You keep 7. Take it? 9 plus the 2 from 2 houses back, 11. Take it. Best so far, 11. Fourth house, $3. Take it and you get 3 plus 7, 10. Skipping keeps 11. Skip this one. Last house, $1. 1 plus 11 from 2 back, 12. Beats staying at 11. Take it. And that's the night, the first, third, and fifth houses. 2 plus 9 plus 1, $12, no alarms, and you never had to try all 32 plans. The recipe: one more time, walk the street once. At every door, compare, skip, or take plus 2 back. Keep the bigger. 1 pass, and the last number is the answer. Want to see this exact idea written as real code, line by line? That's the Full House Robber video, link on screen and in the description.